Hello, welcome to week 3. Just like last week, you're going to be doing a discussion board post plus a quiz. So this week we are talking about emerging technologies and the influence of the virtual world on the individual and society. We're going to specifically be looking at driverless vehicles. So here's the assignment for this week for the discussion board post. You can click here to open the document. There are various links in that document, but if you want to have some fun with a little toy I have here called ThingLink, you can also access the video and the 2 articles through our little links here. However, I am going to use the document itself, so here we go. And we have what I would like you to do first. Watch the video. Once you have watched the video, or as you watch the video, create a SWOT analysis chart. You may not have used these before, but you are just looking at the video and answering what you consider to be strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats presented by the information in the video. Your second job is to read the 2 articles provided. Here are the links to those. As well, you're going to do the same SWOT analysis. You can do one of these charts covering both those articles. So you're going to come up with, in the end, 2 different SWOT charts to use. All right, the actual questions coming out of these charts. You give your opinion on whether the opportunities or threats have the bigger impact on people's interaction priorities in our mobile commuting society. So that is the big question for the week. You will be submitting your analysis charts for the video and the articles, so that's 3 marks total. You need to include comments both from the video and each of the 2 articles. And then for this question, you receive a mark, and then for your peer response, you're going to be reading over your peers' ideas, and you need to respond with a thoughtful comment. And again, just like last week, it needs to be more than a yes, no, I agree, I disagree with you. Plan on a minimum of 3 sentences, truly commenting in depth and with some critical analysis on their reasoning behind the opportunities and threats that they have discussed. So that is the written portion of the assignment. As always, back to the discussion board, scroll down to week 3, and as you did last week, create your thread, respond to a peer, etc. All right. Part 2 of week 3, as it says here, you will be doing a plagiarism exercise, and you can locate it right here. For those of you who attended Comm Essentials last semester, you likely did a plagiarism tutorial and quiz. Just like the research skills quiz, this is like a 2.0 or a more developed, more in-depth version of that quiz. So if you did last time's, guess what? You still get to do this semester's as well. The tutorial I've provided is from Cardiff University. So that is a British university. I think there's a short video in here that you also get to hear their cool accents. So as you see, this is just a 15 slide slideshow. A lot of information in here, a couple little quizzes that you get to do. There's that video with their cool accents. So enjoy that source and then come back here and complete the quiz related to that content. As well, if you've never read it or if you're unfamiliar with it, Georgian's Policy on Academic Misconduct is linked here, and I would like you to read over section 8. Plagiarism quiz itself, just like last week, you click on Begin, and it sends you straight into the questions. Again, if you are welcome to do this multiple times, your best answer is recorded, and what else? It is taken from a pool of questions. So you'll be doing 15 of them for this quiz. And I think that is it for this week. So let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to email me. I hope you feel your courses are going well. And I will talk to you again next week. Thanks.